Hi, I'm Andries Bosma, Product Manager of Differential Pressure Sensors and Flow Sensors at Sensirion. Today I would like to present you the SDP3x, the smallest flow sensor in the world. The SDP3x differential pressure sensor is the perfect solution for measuring the airflow in a bypass configuration. The main features of the SDP3x are, of course, its small size, but also excellent accuracy and repeatability, even below 1 Pascal. It is also compatible with the most modern production techniques and is thus reflow solderable, shipped in tape and reel, and ready for pick and place. It also has smart averaging algorithms and other very interesting digital and analog features. These features make the SDP3x the perfect fit for applications such as portable medical applications, smart inhalers, drones and portable wind speed meters. Interested? Then check out our EKP4 evaluation kit. The EKP4 has the SDP3x soldered on a PCB, and it includes a flow element which fits on the sensor and the PCB. The PCB connects with a USB cable to your laptop, and with the free software it's easy to quickly evaluate and test the sensor. As you can see, even very small airflows can be accurately measured with the EKP4 evaluation kit. Order an evaluation kit from our distributors or directly from Sensirion for easy evaluation of your sensor application. Check out this link for more information about the SDP3x differential pressure sensors. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for Sensirion's next videos.